uShongwe uvakale esithi in honor of my old lady I wouldn't miss ukuyoquestiona uPaul Sullivan for anything. In case bakhona bebengevanga uShongwe utshonelwe ngumama yakhe which is why bekengekho na izolo xa etestifya uPaul Sullivan. But wathi nje ngeke ndinemibuzo emingaka ndiphoswe lithuba lokuyoquestiona uPaul Sullivan owama South Africans nje imibuzo emininzi ebeliphendulo endinayo kumele into ba iphendulwe nguPaul Sullivan. Ndithetha nani nje mfana kanti manje usamoyeni ubhabha phezulu but nje uthi nje xa kufike yakhe 10 uzabe seke khona eParliament uyomquestion uPaul Sullivan. So to answer this comment must relaxeni by the time i10 ka Shongwe ifika uzabe seke fikile eParliament. Bafethu izolo bese siqonda ama high boso kukube epola beParliament sichayisese kukube eParliament seke sithi uPaul Sullivan yena uze apha ezi witness ezise evidence akazelanga kuzo interrogator njengoba seke sibaqe interrogator enye futhi yena uzavele nje ayeka kwa ucooperator wamkhola into order uMalema wathi nje ayona uzasixela yona leyo sizasihlonipha njengoba sihloniphile nathi and uthe ufika apho iqaleni lonto uthe ufika apho ufika unalompakamo yakho uzayibeka phansi lompakamo yakho. Hayi ke bafethu bendingeke ndingathethi ngoJames qha bendizixela into ba ndizawuyikhavara yakhe icontent separate. Bafethu uJames ngoyena muntu oye wasikhipha kula mbudede ibithethwa nguPaul Sullivan because ebethetha nje amabala wabhoka uJames wathi kanti che nayeka nje wadwaba uPaul Sullivan asina interest na ngelife journey yakhe asinandaba nesuccess zakhe into esifuna ukuyazi sifuna ukwazi malunga nezi allegations sifuna into akayizelapha kuzophendulana nezi allegations ezenziwe ephansi kwakhe. Kukhona abantu abaninzi ababuzile la ku-comment section ba umatric yena unayo nalo Paul Sullivan akana kwa matric ikwa nguJames umuntu ombuze lonto into ba ingabe uPaul unawo na umatric embuze kwa iqualification into ba ingabe zikhona yini iqualification nyano ngabe unazo akana kwa degree uPaul Sullivan yimibuzo akayihlatywe nguJames yonke leyo. So nje uJames bekesilwa ndizibuza into ba namhlanje kuyawuzalwa nkomuni but nje ukwehlisa nje amaxhala to answer this comment uShongwe usendleleni eyakulandwa la Parliament. Bafethu akakwazi into ba uPaul Sullivan angathi sekefikile aphunyuke ehambe engayiphendulanga imibuzo ethile sinemibuzo esifuna ukuyazi into ba ehambe threatenishana no Cedric nje bebhizi bephenkundleni yaseParliament isibindi salonto uyithathaphi wayeyofunani kwa Phahlane lento ba as impersonate azenze Mr IPD apho ushwele ixesha wayeyithathaphi lonto leyo. Bafethu sifuna ukwazi into ba yonke lento ebabeke nezikhundla beke nazo wa recruitwa ngibani isithunzi isikhundla even imali yoba azibhaqele kaloku lo muntu usuke ezweni lakhe esiza apha ezozama umsebenzi ngendlela kathetha ngayo yena njoba ngoku yena simali yonke seyibuzwa kuyi. Bafethu lo Paul xa lingamqwalasela unala imafia style mosi imafia ziza kuthatha zikubulale zithatha umfazi zityela umfazi. So into kayenzile uPaul ngulo thathe lasasigebengu sapha eKapa waxa kagqibile wathenga kwa indlu yakhe. So udlala nje baba umafia style nje. So nje mina izigqithi imibuzo endihalele into ba ayibuzo uPaul Sullivan into ba yonke lento wayezokwenzana uPaul Sullivan eSouth Africa wa recruitwa ngibani uPaul Sullivan eSouth Africa kube phi khona apha bekebuzwa khona even ngecommander yakhe uba kwakungibani icommander yakhe injani into yomuntu angakhumbuli kwa icommander. Bafethu if there's anything I can tell mina ngabantu basemapoliseni amajoni nani akekho umuntu olibala icommander yakhe because xa bebalisa amabali abayishiyi lonto evakale esisho phofu noMalema into ba yabhidisa into kaPaul Sullivan because yonke into that is in his favor uyikhumbula yonke waze wathi ngenzeka even inamba yeplane wayesiza ngayo apha uyayikhumbula into nje akangayikhumbuli into engathi zamfaka ekoneni. So kuba bonke obubugebengu obubuqhophololo xa teke busy ngalama case beke busy ngawo wayethunywe ngubani kwakuyi instruction kabani directive kabani under whose authority who gave him the authority to do all the things that he did. Imagine i-reservist elzathi ulali detective okanye surgeon yama reserve i-reserve wena self lo muntu lo but nje uthe xa kayibiza lento ndangayivase sense uthe waye Tony reserve detective surgeon into engathi nje njalo asinayo thina lonto asinayo nje position enjalo. Phofu ke kukhona nalapho uMalema wafuna into ba kwesa sikhundla wayesifumene esinokwenza neaviation ethi nesisazi into bayino basizabe sidinga umcimbi we-degree ngoba waye executive yakhona yena engenayo kwa qualification. uMalema usatshila into ba isafuna into bilandelelwe lano. So ndizibuza into ba zeziphi izinto abazazilandelela because bafethu Hayi. Umcimbi kaPaul Sullivan. Bafethu uPaul Sullivan akavelanga nje walenda eSouth Africa. uPaul Sullivan uze apha esazi, well connected, which is why he managed to maneuver the way that he maneuvered. Hayibona ifuna ukungixelela nje into yoba mina ndingahamba ndibe nemitingana nje ezimbalwa nogqirha othile. In no time, divorce ndiyoxinwa ngabantu. Ayi kumnandi eSouth Africa. Siyakhala ke namhlanje. La nto yakhe yokuzazi sifuna ukuyibona into obusezazazi na, singalibalanga into yoba sifuna ukuva into yoba yeyiphi enye kuchiwo ne kwathiwa uSikhosana uTshilo wathi nje kuyo yonke le file yakhe eninzi akeza nayo wonke lamapholi lamabala kawabalisayo sicela i-evidence, angazi nje ukuzocreate ama-allegations against abantu abe engena evidence. So we're looking forward to see into yoba ingabe umcimbi we-evidence na unawo na. So that's just about it. Sifuna ukwazi futhi into yoba ibe ke since no president watrainwa nguye izathini into phansi kuba abantu beyithetha mos into yoba bayamfuna baphinde babuyela umva bayamfuna izathini nale into akazi uzoyiphendula into yoba sekazoba notitsho omkhulu nje onguPaul Sullivan. Wayelikwe ngibani uPaul Sullivan eGunya? Yo, kuhlungu into yenziwe eSouth Africa.
I'm going to instead of coming here to give evidence, I've come here to be interrogated on allegations made against me by criminals. Is that why I'm here? Because if that's why I'm here, I'm going to withdraw my cooperation. I'm not going to assist in a kangaroo court.
We are asking you, was the training that you provided accredited? That's what we're asking you. Can you answer that, please?
Was the training clear?
Ayera.
Chair, please help me understand. We brought this witness before us here today to respond to allegations that has been made by all the previous witnesses, like we have seen with all our other witnesses. They came here to respond to that. Mr. Paul O'Sullivan has come here today and basically pushing his agenda of all his success stories that we have to listen to here in the entire day. Not responding to anything that was leveled against him by any of the other witnesses. We are sitting here today listening to his success stories and dancing according to his music. Until what time do we intend sitting here when he has back issues and he has to leave at 7 o'clock? Tomorrow we're never ever going to get through the statement. This is a book that he has given to us based on what he thinks we should hear. And we're not here to be sitting and listening to him all day and night for 2 days. We're here to probe the allegations that's been leveled against him. For how much longer are we going to allow this? We can't have this. I'm looking at this long index that he has given us, miscellaneous matter, taxpayers fund for Japan, all this stuff. He's sitting here, most of the stuff isn't relevant. We don't want to know about his journey in life. Courts. Thank you.
Honorable Sikhosana.
Yeah, at last, Chair. I just want to anchor Honorable James as well. When I raised my hand, Chair, because I remembered the 7 o'clock, so I didn't want you to close before I say this to Mr. O'Sullivan, that all what we have, this bundle which we are having here, please, tomorrow, Chair, we need to have evidence. Because there's a lot of I don't want to put it, let me put it nicely. There's a lot of nonsensical papers on this thing. We need evidence tomorrow, Chair, not what we were traumatized last week. We can't be traumatized going forward from now, Chair. We need evidence, not gossiping, evidence. Thank you, Chair.